Traveling is your passion. So could you please tell us during this pandemic how it has actually dented your passion, and what did you do during this time?
Yeah, Cheryl, very nice question and very important question also. This pandemic has affected a lot of people with their social life and financial life. It affected a lot. But when it comes to the passion, so I like to be honest. For me, it doesn't affected in that that much for my passion for career and all. Of course, it is affected for everyone. So this time I utilized for myself to develop my skills, to focus more on the content. So I learned softwares and editing softwares, and I learned a lot, and I followed few YouTubers to improvise my content. So, and it's not that I didn't travel. Even I do travel in the pandemic with all safety precautions and all. So after that study, I posted 3 posts in my YouTube channel, and got a very good response for the videos. So I feel like it is a situation where we need to buckle up, and we should uh, learn a lot of things in this situation. So it is a time for us to utilize for the preparation of a better future.
What is the objective of your vlog, and how it is different from other vloggers, Prashant?
Yeah, well, yeah, my long term objectives are like, I would like to improve the content. I want to focus more on the content, and I would like to travel more and more places and cover more and more places. So and get more information about the places. So when the people go and visit there, so they will be having almost all idea, and it will be helpful for them to go, and they no need to search in Google. When they search in my videos, their all questions should be answered in that single vlog, and they should be very happy with the with the
Yeah.
presentation. And why and how it is different from other vloggers? Well, I say like, travel vloggers, they usually do they usually shoot their travel videos from point A to point B. So point A might be their hotel or their home, or the wherever the place they are staying, and the point B will be like the final destination, like where they want to explore. So usually what happens, they like travel, they cover only their journey, how they travel and all, but they there is a lack of, they don't give much information about the place where they are
Right.
visiting.
Right.
So in my video, if you see, so you will find everything, like from the point where I start and point where I reach. And also you can see motovlogging also. And the I mainly focus on the place, and sharing much more about that place and why it is famous for, and adding some cinematic voiceover and b-roll, and adding some music, so to make it more entertained while getting the information. So it will be infotainment, they will get more information as well as they will get entertained for the
Okay.
in my videos. So
Okay.
there I stand out from other vloggers.
You have traveled more than 20 destinations and vlogged the destinations, right? So,
Yes, yes.
what is the response of the people, and how it has benefited those who actually cannot travel?
Yeah. So yeah, in my to be honest, the very beginning I started uploading the videos, and it was not that, it was not that content was not that good. And yeah, the initial response was not that great, I must say. uh, Eventually that I improved a lot, and now I'm getting a very good response for the videos, and thanks for all the viewers. And talking about the how it benefited to the people who can't travel. So well, in vlogs, like video logs, like what you feel is like, feel engaged or feel connected with the person who is who with to whom you're watching. So the my viewers, like, they feel like they are traveling with me, and I'm being their virtual guide, and I'm showing, they are feeling what I'm feeling right in that place. So that is staying, it's a connection between them, and they are really enjoying that. Even if they can't travel, they feel like they are traveling with me, so it is that kind of connection.
You having so much travel experience, what are the hurdles or negative aspects faced during travel? I will start with the Prashant.
Yes, sir. So the negative aspects, I haven't experienced much, but like to make a travel video, it's like you need to prepare before. You can't just go and start taking video, because you will be not be having the information about that place. Without knowing that about the place, if we go, we can't take the information. So sometimes we feel lazy, like why I need to take so much effort, and so that time, like after, even that after we go there, sometime we plan and we go. Sometimes like they won't, there are a few places where we can't take videos. So that is that are the these are a few problems. And in, like, if I go to any travel destination, any place like a heritage place or anything, I can't go as a traveler. I can go you mean like I need to take a lot of, I need to, my job will be just to go there, collect all the information, shoot the videos. I'll be completely involving. I'll not be enjoying that much that the place like the other travelers used to enjoy. So that are the difficult, and that are that may sometimes feel embarrassed for us, while other are enjoying the place and we are taking videos, and what this guy is doing, like they might have thinking like that. So but yeah, definitely. But once after finish shooting, and we'll be and one more thing, while we are shooting our own videos, we have to be energetic always. And
Right.
sometime like when we go out and it's because of the temperature, we feel sweat, and it will not be that good great if we take videos. And
Yeah.
so yeah, in that, when apart from all that hurdles, and when we came back home, and when I start editing and upload the video, and when I watch my video by my own, and share with my mom, my dad, and my friends, and after getting their response, I feel relaxed and very happy.
Okay.
So
Okay.
yeah, so these are
Uh,
the points.
what is your message to people amidst living with Corona? And what is your call to viewers to support News Karnataka, and why? Prashant.
Yeah. So about talking about the corona and the pandemic, I must say to all the viewers, please take care of yourself, and when you are traveling, please follow all the safety guidelines as what government has given to us. It is our responsibility, and this will be, the corona will not stay forever. It will stay for few months or few days. If we follow the safety instructions, it will stay with us forever if we don't respect the guidelines as what government has given to us. And corona is a social cause. But when my message to all the youngsters, like such kind of pandemic situation is there in each and every youngster's life. They are trying to start something, and they get negative comments from some people, and they get demotivated, and they stop doing that. I would like to say, if you are doing something helpful to others, please don't stop it. uh, Listen, just ignore the negative comments. Once you reach to the top, once you get succeeded in the thing what you're doing, they will only, the people who are giving you the negative comments, they will only stand next to you, and they will start praising you. So
Right.
just ignore the negative comments. And one more thing, if you are you feel failure in your life in something, or if you can't start a business or whatever it is, just approach your parents, approach your loved ones, mainly parents. Share your pain, or share your negative thoughts, whatever
Right.
if you're feeling low, share it with your parents, because they are very good listener, and they are giving us the best suggestion. And they love us like no one else in the world love
Great.
us.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Yeah.
so respect your parents, listen to your parents, and do the good things what you are doing. So never give up. So that is the only message to all the youngsters.
Yeah.
And talking about the News Karnataka, So for a guy like me, so this is a very big platform. So I'm really grateful to News Karnataka. And talking about the thing you are doing, it's really amazing. You are, like standing with the truth. And, it is a very important, because nowadays it is very easy to create a fake news and, just forward it in a WhatsApp. So it is very difficult to find a right news and, stand by it. And stand by truth is, the main motive of News Karnataka. That, and it's being our own, you are from, like, the News Karnataka is from our own motherland. So it's each and everyone's responsibility to promote it, to share with as much as, people, because they are doing a very fabulous job.